Good morning, students. The first chapter of computer is the computer system. And in our previous class, we have studied about the classification of the computers. So, we had studied microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputer. So, today we will study how the computer system is designed. Whatever may be the size, every computer system consists of two basic components, that is hardware and software. So what is a hardware? Hardware refers to all the physical parts of a computer which can be seen and touched. Input devices, output devices, storage devices and the CPU are examples of a hardware. So what are the input devices are included under hardware? Input devices are used to input data and instruction into a computer. They accept input from the user and convert it into binary form 0 and 1 that a computer can understand. Mouse, keyboard, trackball, joystick, scanner, light pen, microphone and webcam are some commonly used input devices. Let us learn about some input devices which are used for specific purposes. So the first type of specific purpose input device is magnetic ink character recognition, or which is MICR reader. A MICR reader is an input device used to read characters printed using specific magnetic ink on a document. MICR is commonly used in banks to process checks. Each check has a MICR code which consists of some important information about the customer account and the bank. MICR reader enables banks to read and process thousands of check transactions in a short period of time. The next type of special purpose input device is optical mark recognition, or OMR reader. An OMR reader is an input device used to scan and read special forms designed with boxes or circles which can be marked with a pencil or pen. It uses the light reflected from the form for the absence or the presence of a mark. This information is converted into a computer readable file. An OMR reader has the advantage of being highly accurate, cost effective and capable of handling large numbers of documents in a short duration of time. It is usually used for scanning answer sheets of exams that have multiple choice questions. So the next one is optical character recognition reader, or OCR reader. An OCR reader is an input device used to scan printed text documents such as books and magazines and convert them into digital files that can be easily edited in a computer. Organizations use OCR to scan printed forms for automated data entry into a database in a computer. The next one is magnetic strip card reader. A magnetic strip card reader is an input device used to read information encoded in the magnetic strip located at the back of cards such as credit cards, loyalty cards and membership cards. The magnetic strip card reader reads the information quickly and accurately when the card is swiped through it. So you might have seen this machine in shops, in petrol pumps, in banks. Nowadays many people are using this for the payment. So this magnetic strip card reader is a very useful input device and we are using it in our day-to-day life. So another type of a input device or special purpose input device is biometric device. A biometric device is an input device used to measure unique physical characteristics such as fingerprint or iris pattern of a person. A record of these characteristics is stored in a database. The identity of a person can be determined by scanning the finger or eye and matching the result of the scan with the records in the data. Biometric devices are used to mark attendance in offices and provide entry to authorized users. It is usually used for security purposes. Now let us discuss about the output devices or special purpose output devices. After processing the input, a computer provides the results through output devices. Output devices take the data in the binary form the computer and convert it into a form that a user can understand. Monitors, printers and speakers are some commonly used output devices. Let us discuss some other output devices which we are seeing our day-to-day life. So this type of special output device you might have seen in the class or in some many places you have seen. This is called digital projector. A digital projector is an output device that projects the output from a computer onto a wall or a screen. The projector is portable and can be placed on a stand or permanently fixed to the ceiling. A digital projector is commonly used to display presentations during meetings, seminars and conferences. So the next one it is in your book is Braille embosser. A Braille embosser is an output device that prints text documents in Braille, a pattern of raised dots. A Braille translation software translates the electronic text from the computer into Braille, which is then embossed onto paper. The text is ready to be moving by the fingers over the dots. It is used to print documents for the visually impaired people. Now the next type of output device is plotter. A plotter is a specialized output device designed to produce high quality graphics in a variety of colors. It is used to draw charts, diagrams and other line based graphics. Plotters use ink pens or inkjets to create graphics on a paper or polyester film. The four main types of plotters are drum plotter, flatbed plotter, inkjet plotter and cutting plotter. And the last type of output device is 3D printer. A 3D printer is a computer aided manufacturing device that creates three-dimensional objects from a digital file. The creation of a 3D model of an object is achieved by laying down the successive layers of a material until the entire object is created. So today we have discussed what is a computer system, what is a hardware and how input devices and output devices help to run the computer system. Thank you.